Ever thought drones could think for themselves? The future is here. Imagine drones that think, react, and make decisions on their own. Today we'll explore how AI-powered drones are revolutionizing industries, from delivery services to search and rescue missions. Traditional drones require human control, but AI drones use machine learning and computer vision to navigate obstacles, detect objects, and make smart flight decisions without human input. Like the Skydio 2 Plus, a drone that autonomously avoids obstacles while filming. Companies like Amazon, Prime Air and Wing by Google are already testing drone deliveries, making same-day shipping faster and more efficient. AI optimizes delivery routes and avoids hazards for faster, safer delivery. AI-powered drones are saving lives. Equipped with thermal imaging and real-time tracking, they help locate missing persons faster than traditional methods. Take the DJI Matrix 300 with AI-assisted search capabilities, for example. AI drones are changing everything. What do you think? Are AI-powered drones the future? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI innovations.